So the filter that I'm using is this one here, ND filter. I'm going to show you what it looks like in real time. So you see that? It'll probably be out of focus. That's okay. You can switch the ring around and you actually see how dark it gets. And then you'll see how light it becomes. You can see right through it. So this right here is going to help me with the sky. Right now you're not able to really see because it's blurring, but the effect that it has on the camera is awesome. Highly recommend it. Really easy for you to put onto your camera. Here, make sure that's screwed in. And then in order for you to change, you're just dialing in here, okay? And as you dial, it changes. But if I didn't have this today, my sky would be all blown out. This is kind of like what we're getting in camera. And this time around, I'm going to make sure that the filter is cranked even more so that I can really get like the blue of the sky. I think I did get some of those shots later, but this is it. When you are on site, it's all about just checking what works best. Don't be afraid to push your limits. Don't be afraid to do new things. Don't be afraid to try whatever it takes for you to get the shot. And the client repeatedly asked that I do have people in the shot with certain buildings behind them. And my task is to ensure that we get that. And what it meant was bringing out the ND filter. And hopefully you know about ND filters. If you don't, then hey, today's a good day to learn something new, right? I'm just waiting for the next group of people that are going to walk out. I am wanting to get shots of them ahead. So I'll be ahead and they'll be walking toward me so that I'm not like running and they're behind me. And then, because I do have a 50mm on me, and I just want to make sure that I'm capturing everything accurately.